let's go! Sisimula na po tayo ng ating laban. Good luck from both teams. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon this season? Let's the battle begin. The first set of our women's finals. Service area, Abby Dumpiet. Not over. First point mula sa score? Outside. Boys to Santa Lucia. Outside the points to defending champion. 2-1. Good serve. Boys to Santa Lucia. Ana Reyes on the service. Outside. Points to defending champion. 3-2. Antonia. Ramirez. Nice dig. Laguna. Nice dig by Malyari. Here comes Moppy. Shots ball, Laguna. Santa Lucia. Ramirez on the service. Nice dig for Laguna. Here comes Arzel. Volante setting on to Mavi. Nice dig. Here comes Laguna. Nice dig. Bayana. Volante to Bautista. Oy, naibalik. Aliana was there. Volante with a drop. Nakayangat ang Barangay Batis. Laguna. Nice dig by Volante. Here comes San Gregorio. Not over. Points for Barangay Batis. 4-3. Laguna on the service. Not over. Barangay Santa Lucia. Mapi Cebalya on the service. Oh! It's an ace for Mapi Cebalya. Nice dig. Free ball for Barangay Batis. Reyes, Volante, setting on to Aliana. Nice dig by Abi. Dumpit. Oh! It's a check ball. Points para sa Barangay Batis. 6-4. In favor of Barangay Santa Lucia. Nice dig by San Gregorio. Volante to Mapi. Nice dig by Antonio. Here comes Dumpit. Oh, good. Oh, not over. Points para sa Barangay Batis. Mabasa isang lamang ng Barangay Santa Lucia. Delia on the service. Malyari will receive. Here comes San Gregorio. Inside for Aliana. San Gregorio. 7-5. Antonio. Here comes Arcel. Volante was there. Reyes. Bautista will receive. Laguna to Abi. Nice dig. Volante to Aliana. Oh! Check ball for Aliana. San Gregorio. Five. Volante. Nice dig by Arcel. Uy. Bautista. Abi was there. Aliana. Good. Nice. Binalik ng Batis. Here comes Bautista. Nice dig by Lanot. Reyes was there. Oh, cross court. Alilia. Antonio to Dumpit. Mapi was there. Volante to Aliana. Not over. Puntos para sa Barangay Batis. 8-6. Arcel on the service. Nice dig. Volante. Binalik. Nice dig, brother. Volante setting on to Aliana. Laguna was there. Here comes Antonio. Block by Bautista. Boys, Barangay Santa Lucia. In favor pa rin sa Barangay Santa Lucia. One service area. Nice dig by Laguna. Here comes la Antonio. Volante setting on to San Gregorio. Domingo setting on to Antonio na Robert. Boys, Barangay Santa Lucia. Time out muna rito ang defending champion. Official score 10-6 in favor of Barangay Santa Lucia. There we go. Then natin na Barangay Batis for this timeout. Free ball. Volante, setting on. Carmen, angat ni Domingo. Dumpit. Reyes was there. Oh, drop. Volante. Nice dig by Lanot. Here comes Dumpit. Bautista will receive. At the back row, Seballa. Napalakas nga lang. Puntos yan para sa defending champion. 7-10. Abi Dumpit on the service. Good serve. Nice dig by Mafi. Volante to Aliana. Nice dig by Domingo. Laguna was there. Nice dig by Reyes. Binalik. Free ball for Barangay Batis. Laguna blocked by Carmen. Oy, nice dig by Reyes. Volante setting on. Carmen. Oh! Nice dig by Dumpit. Antonio naman binalik. Volante binaligay kay Aliana. Lanot. Free ball for Santa Lucia. Here comes Reyes. Nice dig by Dumpit. Laguna. Too strong. sa Barangay Santa Lucia. 7-11. Aliana San Gregorio on the service. Oh! It's a service ace coming from Aliana San Gregorio. San Gregorio on the service. Not over. Puntos para sa Barangay Batis. 8-12. Free ball. Oh, outside. Boys, Barangay Santa Lucia. Free ball. Nice dig. Nice dig. Free ball. Volante drop. Laguna setting on to Antonio. Nice dig by Aliana. Volante to Mafi. That is Mafi Cebalya. 14-8 in favor pa rin sa Barangay Santa Lucia. Lumalayo ang lamang. Lumalaki para sa Barangay Santa Lucia. Reyes on the service. Nice dig by Dumpit. Laguna, pinalik. Volante will league. Here comes Mapi. Chance ball para sa defending champion. Ayan na si Laguna. Nice dig by Reyes. Volante setting on to Carmen. Oh, nice dig para sa defending champion. Cardenas will receive. Volante to Mavi. Laguna naman sa kabila. Pabalo rito. Oh, inside. For Nicole Laguna. 14-9 in favor of Barangay Santa Lucia. Stop the bleeding para sa Barangay Batis on the service area. Leah Antonio. Carmen! What a nice quick up there para kay Carmen. Natividad. 59 in favor of Barangay Santa Lucia. Carmen Natividad on the service. Good serve. Oh! Away! What a nice serve para kay Carmen Natividad. 69. 7-point lead para sa Barangay Santa Lucia. Carmen on the service. Outside. Ball para sa defending champion. Baba sa 6. Serve. Chance ball. Bautista. Nice dig para sa Barangay Batis. Oh! At nakabawi si Arzel Domingo. 16-11. Nice dig by Mafi. Volante. Back to Mafi. Lanot was there. Drop ball by Arzel Domingo. What a back-to-back points para kay Arzel Domingo. O Barangay Batis. 16-12. Good receive by San Gregorio. Mapi babawi. Naiangat ng Batis. Ayan na. Naiangat ni Reyes. Here comes Cebalya. Oh, naiangat rin. Dumpit. Volantes. Reyes to Mafi. Nice dig by Lanot. Ayan na. Bobby was there. Oh! Inside. Abby Dumpit naman para sa defending champion. Baba sa tatlo. Ang lamang ng Santa Lucia. Tingnan naman natin ang hadel ng Barangay Santa Lucia for this timeout. Back to the ball game. Official score 16-13 in favor of Barangay Santa Lucia. Nicole Laguna on the service. Nice dig by Malyari. Volante. Back to Mapi. Nice dig by Laguna. Pinagay kay Abby. San Gregorio, Volante to Bautista. Lanot was there. Abby binalik. Mapi to Volante. Back to Mapi. Laguna nagabang. Ayan na si Abby. Blocked by Bautista. Here we go. Arzel with the hang time. Oy! Good! Buhay pa. Here comes Arzel. Not over. For Arzel. Punta siya para sa Barangay Santa Lucia. 17-13. Ceballia on the service. Good serve. Nice dig. Abby, binalik. Reyes was there. Volante, back to naiangat ng defending champion. Here comes Abby. Oh! Inside for Abby Dumpit. Ayan na, babasa. Tatlo ang lamang ng Santa Lucia. 14-17. Delia. Nice dig by Malyari. Volante, Seringon. Oh, nice dig by Laguna. Here comes Abby at the back row. Nandun, Bautista. Nayangat ni Antonio. Abby papalo. Nice dig by Reyes. Volante, cross court to Mapi. Oy, good. Mapi will receive. Volante to San Gregorio. Delia was there. Oh, binalik ni Antonio. Free ball, Mapi, Volante, back to San Gregorio. In! Outside! Points para sa defending champion. 17-15. Baba sa dalawang lamang ng Santa Lucia. Corin, nice dig by Malyari. Here comes San Gregorio. Laguna was there. Abby! Oh! Outside! Puntos para sa Barangay Santa Lucia. 18-15. Balik sa tatlo ang lamang. Volante will receive. Sorry, that's Antonio. Back to oh, nice dig by Cardenas. Oy! Good! Oh! Miscommunication for defending champion. 19-15. Balik sa apat ang lamang ng Santa Lucia. Good serve. Abby. San Gregorio, binalik. Volante, back to Bautista. Nice dig by Antonio. Cross court, Laguna. Chance ball for Santa Lucia. Here comes San Gregorio. Oh! Inside for Aliana San Gregorio. Timeout dito ang defending champion. Official score 20-15. Balik sa lima ang lamang ng Santa Lucia. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng defending champion for this timeout. Back to the ball game. Official score 20-15 in favor of Barangay Santa Lucia. On the service area, jersey number 10, Volante M. Nice dig by Lanot. Here comes Arzel, draw ball. Volante was there. Mapi to Aliana. Laguna will receive. Here comes Dumpit. Oh, nice dig by Reyes. Volante to Aliana. San Gregorio again. Inside. Puntos para sa Barangay Santa Lucia. 21-15. 6-point lead. Oy, nice dig. Nice dig by here comes Aliana. Nice dig by Abby. Abby again. Oh, nice dig by Cardenas. Volante to Mavi. Nice dig by Lanot. Arzel. Free ball for Santa Lucia. Volante. Binigay kay Bautista. Ooh. It's a net touch. Puntos para sa Barangay Santa Lucia. 22-15. Good serve by Volante. Oh, nice dig. Nice dig. Drop. Aliana. San Gregorio again for Santa Lucia. Warning, warning, warning. 23-15 in favor of Barangay Santa Lucia. Volante, good serve. Nice dig by Laguna. Setting on to Abi, not over. Puntos yan para Santa Lucia. It's a set point para sa Barangay Santa Lucia. 24-15. Last one. Tatapusin na ba ni M? Nice dig by Arcel. Laguna, not over. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first set. Winner of the first set, Barangay Santa Lucia. 25-15. Kaya magkakat muna tayo for the time.